We are sorry to interrupt your program in Microsoft Windows XP. The following is an emergency alert system bulletin. This is not a test. Important details will follow. Your antivirus program has issued a possible threat to your computer until further notice. At 6:42 a.m., your antivirus program has indicated possible threats that could harm your computer. These threats could possibly turn out to be viruses infecting your computer. These threats are capable of producing unexpected pop-ups that link to pornographic sites such as porno.com. If you are concerned that your computer may be at risk, please contact someone who can fix the problem. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system in Microsoft Windows XP.